So things are a little bit chaotic here this morning. It is, what's the date today? Thursday the 24th? Thursday?
No.
What's the date? I know it's the 24th because it's Christopher's birthday. Right, so we have managed to find ourselves on a night out and we are at Blenheim Palace for the Christmas light. And as you know, Grandpa is only one-legged, so we have to go. We parked in the blue badge parking and we have to go get his wheelchair that we've organised.
Let us in. We're going to get in the Christmas spirit tonight. And we're going to look at a few lights.
Our first nighttime outing, really.
I was a bit nervous, I have to be honest. I was like, and then I was like, wait a second. We can do this.
We can do this. We got this. So we're just going to go get the wheelchair, then we're going to go fetch Granny and Grandpa from the car, and we will then enjoy some Christmas spirit. Well, I got myself a VIP seat.
Hey, we're rolling.
So I get a free ride on the way back to the car.
Sorry, reckless driver.
Oh my gosh, how embarrassing.
Alright, we don't need these, right?
No.
It's Jack's first Christmas lights. He looks like a Power Ranger. He's dressed to impress. He reckons, nah, he's not big on the dummy. Are you ready?
Alright,
He's ready to go.
let's go do this.
Let's get in there.
You're going to carry him for a little
I'm just
while.
excited for the Christmas food. We're going to see what they got. We're definitely going to have some sweet treats and some festive favourites and maybe a bit of mulled wine if we're lucky.
Now for
Ready,
you,
boy?
you can have a booby.
Booby. It's his favourite. He likes booby. True. Getting in there young.
So things are a little bit chaotic here this morning. It is, what's the date today? Thursday the 24th? Thursday?
No.
What's the date? I know it's the 24th because it's Christopher's birthday.
Wednesday today.
Wow, I was like, are you opening a beer so early in the morning?
Yeah, I need to. I'm cooking the gammon.
So yes, we have done everything lastminute.com. We haven't put up a Christmas tree. We need to get prepared for tomorrow. We need to make desserts. Christopher's making a gammon. It's his birthday, so we're going to go for drinks later. We have dinner, and you know, it's just going to be one of those days. So we're getting a crack on early this morning. I say early, but it is 9 o'clock. And yes, like I said, lastminute.com, we are only putting up our Christmas tree today, so at least we're putting it up. So yeah, everyone excited for a busy day?
Doing a different kind of gammon today. We're doing a clip drift glazed
Ooh,
gammon. So
wow.
I haven't made this one before, but we're going to try it
So
out.
clip drift is brandy, right?
Yeah, it's a South African brandy, so Normally I just do it with ginger ale and honey, but today we're doing something, and marmalade, but sometimes you gotta try something new.
So you want to knock us all out, huh?
Yeah.
My mum's busy doing paperwork as she normally does, and my dad's got Jack, who's hopefully going to be sleeping soon.
She literally does, this lady does paperwork every day. Don't ask me what she does, but she does it every day.
Anyway guys, so we're going to get cracking. I'm going to start making some desserts and clean this place up a little bit and prepare the tree. So Christopher's got his starter going. Looking good, looking good.
Thank you.
Meat's coming out.
Quite a big ham.
And I have got all my ingredients out. So long. Making a peppermint crisp tart. That's a South African dessert. And we're also having a chocolate mousse, but that's only being made later by Granny. She just has to wait for the evaporated milk to be frozen in the deep freeze. So we have to wait for that. So lots of multitasking. Let's get cracking.
It should be here. It's where the food gets down there.
Doing a great job, Grandpa. The other way around. The caramel treat's meant to be in the food processor and the cream's meant to be going into the caramel treat, not this way. So hopefully it works out okay, because I just don't feel like making extra dishes.
Do you have to fold it in, or?
So I'm going to mix it until it turns.
Oh, that won't matter then.
If I stop eating it before then. So good. Take it, I got mine.
Oh wow, this is delicious.
This is the best part of it all. Is when we get
That's
to.
why you make it.
Yeah, when we get to clean the utensils.
Oh wow. This is better than the thing.
Then what?
Then when it's finished.
Pretty good, guys. Pretty good. So it's been quite an eventful day today. It's been extremely busy. We've got desserts made. We've prepped for dinner tomorrow, or should I say lunch. So we've got chicken, we've got gammon, we've got vegetables. Everything's ready for tomorrow, because tomorrow we don't want to be rushed and lunch is at 12. But for tonight, it is Christmas Eve. Our tree is up. It's looking pretty. It's getting dark outside. It's Christopher's birthday, and we are going for dinner.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down.
Okay, so this is the McDonald tree for the last 10 years, basically. So we started it with all the fine little McDonald's. So this year, this little one came in, that one came in, and the green one.
Alright, so basically what you're saying
So
is
every
this is all
year-
the McDonald's toys.
Yeah, throughout the last 10 years.
You're joking?
Yes.
That's amazing.
So I think this one was last year. These ones, and these ones. Oh yeah, no, that one. It was these two. It was last year.
And whose idea was this?
Every year. Oh,
This
just
is amazing.
Look at this cute little dude that was on as well. Yeah, so this is the McDonald's tree. So every year, whatever is in the McDonald's packets, and then I keep 2 or 3 out of it, and it goes onto the McDonald's tree.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
From our family to yours, we wish everyone a very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.